Okay, the first step to sharing a Google document, of course, is creating a Google account or a Gmail account. And I'm going to assume that you've already done that. And if you have, you can just go to google.com right here, and then you'll see something like this with a sign in. So you're going to want to sign in to your Gmail account, and I will do that here. And now that I've signed in, I can click on these dots here, and that will give me access to a list of tools, and I'm looking for Google Drive because that's where all of my documents are going to be. So I'm going to click on Google Drive. Now you'll see I have a lot of things in my drive, but what we're going to do here is create a document. So if you want to create a document, you can click on that New button, and notice it'll also let you create a folder or upload a file, etc. We're just going to create a Google document, and we're going to create a blank document here. Now I'm creating a blank document, and the first thing I'm going to want to do is create a title for that. So I'll call this Assignment 1. I can come over here and give it a title. And I can type some text. So now I've created a document that I want to share. And this is going to be automatically saved in my Google Drive. So, okay, let's close that document. And to show how that works, we'll close this document. And you can see right here, it'll automatically, unless I put it someplace else, it will automatically put it at the top level here of my drive. So here's Assignment 1. Well, now I'm going to want to share that. So there are two ways that I can do that. The first is I can right-click on this file name right here, Assignment 1, which I've done, and right-clicking gives me a list of options. And so I could get a shareable link, or I can click Share. If I click Shareable Link, it's going to give me an option here just to grab this, and I can copy it, then I can paste it into an email or into an assignment. Now I can also click Share, and I might want to do this because I may want to change the permissions. So if you click on Share, notice it's going to give me that link that I can copy, but it's also going to let me have options for different types of activities or permissions that I can apply to this. So in this case, if I'm sharing it with my instructor who may need to make comments, etc., I can either do comment or edit, which is what I want you to do as a student. You want to give me access to edit it. So you're going to say anyone with this link can edit it. You'll copy that link, and then it's copied, and then you can just paste that into an assignment. By making this a document something that another person can edit, the person with the link, that allows them not only to make comments, but also to highlight things in the text and to make other changes. And as your instructor, that's what I would be wanting to do. Now, you can also do this from within the document. So let's open Assignment 1. Let's say you're working on it. Now you're working on Assignment 1 and you decide you want to share it. Well, you can do that very easily simply by clicking on this share link and going through the same steps that we did just then. Now notice it remembers that I wanted to share this or give permission to edit it, and so it already has that up here. And again, I could just copy the link and share it. And so this is all there is to creating an assignment document and then sharing it. You'll create a document in a Google Docs, create a new document, you're going to give it a title, then you're going, once you're finished with that, you're going to provide or generate a link for it so you can share that, and you're going to copy and paste that link and put it inside of your assignment.